Guys, since I started my channel, over the years, I've been talking all things dental, including reviewing a bunch of dental products. Now, as my channel grows, I've been getting a lot of comments to the effect of, well, of course you're going to say this product is great, you're getting paid for it. So in this video, I just want to share a little bit behind the scenes of how my product reviews go and how I keep them honest for you guys. So years ago, when I first started this channel, I mostly just talked about dental topics, and then I started kind of dabbling in specific product reviews. Usually the products were whatever I had on hand, or I would actually reach out to companies and ask them if they would be interested in sending me a sample of their product for me to try out and see what I think of it. Now, as a hygienist, even though my channel was very small or basically non-existent at the time, I would still be able to get my hands on a few free products just because of my standing as a dental professional. Companies are generally pretty interested in the opinion of a dental professional so that they can, then tell their patients how they like the product. Anyway, bottom line, that was the extent of my collaborations. I would either buy a product myself and review it, or I would get a product for free and review it and basically say whatever I wanted about it. Nobody was paying me. Now, as my channel grew, companies started reaching out to me asking if I wanted to do a paid collaboration. Usually this just included a free product and some sort of commission/affiliate link to include in my video descriptions. So it was not much, but even so, I knew then that I wanted my channel and my brand to be synonymous with transparency and honesty. Basically, the whole reason I started this channel is to help viewers like yourself, to have access to reliable, honest, trustworthy information on dental topics and dental products. So as I started getting into more serious paid collaborations, I quickly developed a system to continue putting my viewers first. So basically, if a company reaches out to me and says, hey, we'd like you to review our product, what's your fee? I would say, okay, let's hold up on the fee. First of all, feel free, yes, to send me your product. I'm interested in trying it out. And then if I like it, here's what my fee would be. So they send me the product over and I test it out, and if I like it, then I send them back a few key points that I would mention in my review. Usually, even though I like the product, there still might be one or two points that are negative. So I like to disclose that to the company, like, hey, just a heads up, I will be mentioning this in my review. But for the most part, at the end of the day, I like your product. And so then we would agree on a fee and I would get working on a review video. If I don't like the product after testing it out, I would let the company know, like, hey, sorry, I'm not a huge fan of the product. Here's why, Would you still like me to do a review? And this would be my fee. Usually companies are like, no thanks, who wants to pay for a bad review? And that would be the end of our collaboration. I would end up 50-50 still doing the review just to get more information out to viewers, but it wouldn't be paid. Now, as my channel continues to grow, I do still keep this format in my communication with companies that reach out to me. I don't do as many negative unpaid reviews as I do positive paid ones, just because I'm at the point right now where after doing this channel for 5+ years, I'm finally getting on my feet financially speaking. So I am focusing more on paid collaborations with products that I like, just so that I can continue to grow and support myself financially and be able to keep doing videos for you guys. So it may very well be that you're seeing a lot of positive reviews on my channel. And yes, for the most part, they are paid. I say for the most part because some products, I actually just really like them, but the company's not interested in collaborating because they're already doing great. So I would end up just doing a review on my own time of my own free will, not paid. But in terms of the products that I don't like, if I haven't gotten around to a review and viewers ask me about that specific product, the least I do is comment on their question and say like, hey, I haven't done a review, but I have heard of / tried this product, not a huge fan of it. So I try to get at least some information out about products I don't like. And then as time permits, I work on the unpaid negative reviews for products I don't like. So anyway, that's my system. I hope you guys understand. This is not easy work, sitting there researching a product, trying it out, scripting a video for you guys, shooting it, editing it. So, after, again, 5+ years of doing this for free out of my own pocket, I am trying to focus a little bit more on what pays. But that doesn't mean I just take everything that comes my way and say, yes, I love this and I love that and I love this. Just pay me, pay me, pay me. In fact, this month I had like 3 companies reach out to me with products, and I tried them all out, and I just didn't have enough positive things to say about them. And I turned down 3 paid collaborations, again, because the focus of my channel is to provide you guys with honest, reliable information. So I'm sure many people will not watch this video and will continue giving me hater comments, but I've said it, and hopefully you guys give me some grace and put some trust in me. I do have your best interest at heart with these product reviews and really all of the videos that I put out there. All right, thank you for listening to my rant. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment them below. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Love your teeth.